Hello everyone, we are here to present our project Laundra Pure Filter to Tbfi under the theme of social impact. When we studied about laundry pollution, we were shocked. Just one laundry wash can release lakhs of tiny microplastic fibers into water. Along with this, textile dyeing adds up to 20% of water pollution and detergents contribute over 1 lakh ton of chemicals every year. This made us realize how something as normal as washing clothes is secretly harming our environment. So we came up with our idea, Laundra Pure Filter.
Here is our solution. Our solution concept is a natural multi-layer filtration system which can be attached to the laundromat outlets. Here is how it works. The initial layer 1 is made up of coarse coir mesh. This traps large particles like lint, hair and suspended solids. The layer 2, which is for the core purification, is made up of fine kenaf mesh coated with coir-based activated carbon. This layer traps microplastics and absorbs organic contaminants including dye. The final layer 3 is made up of fine mesh coated with natural zeolite clay. This removes heavy metals and trace chemicals through ion exchange. Now talking about the plan, the laundry water from the washing machine passes to the filtration tank. This filtration tank contains the 3-layer filter in the rectangular form through which the laundry water passes and gets filtered and comes to the other side of the tank. Then this filtered water can be reused in several ways like watering plants, which would result in the prevention of soil degradation.
The filter is composed of 3 layers that are binded together by physical and chemical process. The chemical process uses citric acid cross-linking. Activated by heat, this connection becomes permanent and robust, which makes the filter resistant to shedding or degradation. This ensures it can be reused multiple times without losing its effectiveness. The second method is physical binding, when the 3 layers, once cured and dried, are stacked and physically stitched together using biodegradable thread to create a single cohesive multi-stage fiber unit. To address the question of when do I replace the filter, we have developed a simple external indicator strip based on the pH concept. The user can see a small replaceable strip in a window on the filter housing or the machine. As the strip absorbs filter water, it changes color when the filter's pH balancing capacity is exceeded, signaling that the filter is saturated and needs to be replaced. This provides a clear, simple and convenient alert for consumers, taking the guesswork out of maintenance.
The capital requirements for the Laundra Pure filter are based on the total amount of raw materials that are used for their production, and the approximate cost of each raw materials are as follows. The coir would cost around 0.22 to 0.58 Singaporean dollars per kg, and the kenaf would cost around 0.60 to 0.85 Singaporean dollars per kg, and the activated carbon and the zeolites, which is used as a coating material, cost around 20 to 30 Singaporean dollars per kg, and the citric acid would cost around 16 to 20 Singaporean dollars for 1 liter. The estimated total cost approximation for these materials is between $56.72 and 71.33 Singaporean dollars.
Now let's discuss the scalability of our Laundra Pure filter. Our vision is to expand from households to industries like laundromats, hotels and textiles by forming partnerships with manufacturers and eco-friendly retailers. With a global reach, our adaptable design meets the growing demand for sustainable solutions. Looking ahead, we aim to develop smart IoT-enabled filters and explore applications in wastewater treatment. So, from an environmental view, the Laundra Pure filter cuts down microplastic, chemicals and heavy metals entering our waters. Economically, it opens a market for sustainable home goods, offering consumers a cost-effective solution and giving retailers a way to attract eco-friendly customers. And on a social level, it empowers everyone to protect the environment and raise awareness through a simple, practical tool.
The key stakeholders of our project includes operators, suppliers and eco-conscious users like homeowners and laundromats. Suppliers provide essential raw materials while municipalities and water authorities supports regulations and large-scale adoptions. Here comes the question, how the filter can be disposed easily. The best way is composting, where it breaks down and enriches the soil. If not possible, it can go to municipal biodegradable waste systems. For larger amounts, industries can use biomass incinerations to generate energy, or even landfills are better option. Proper segregation makes the whole process safer and faster. Thank you. We believe Laundra Pure is a simple yet powerful way to make a difference.